Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Ali Fakru Arash and I will presentation for introduction part. Now let's look at the introduction of the proboscis monkey, or scientifically known as Nasalis lavatus. This unique animal is only found in Borneo, specifically in mangrove forests or areas near waterways. They have a very unique feature, which is their large nose. In fact, the males possess the large nose of all primates, which can grow longer than 10 cm. Besides that, they have a distinctive reddish brown skin color and a long tail. In terms of their diet, they are herbivores, meaning they mainly eat leaf and fruit.
The objective of this campaign is to increase the protection of Nasalis lavatus, which is a long-term survival, and the second one is to promote recognition of Nasalis lavatus habitat and reestablish, which means large area of habitat can be protected and persistent law enforcement can be ensured. And the last one is to highlight the importance maintaining genetic diversity of Nasalis lavatus.
Next is threat to species. Based on this poster, the species is currently facing a critical survival crisis. The primary cause of their decline is massive habitat destruction driven by logging, industrial agriculture, and human settlement, particularly in the Kalimantan region. The data reveals a devastating impact. Their population has dropped by over 50% in the last 40 years. This decline was further accelerated by the catastrophic forest fire of 1997 and 1998, which wiped out major habitat areas. Essentially, as the natural home disappeared, the chance of this species surviving in the wild become increasingly slim.
Building on that, the most recent data from 2022 shows a worrying trend in Balikpapan Bay. Only about 3,909 individuals remain. Even more alarming is that their habitat continues to vanish at a rate of 0.69% every single year. Beyond habitat loss, this species is also a victim of hunting and illegal trade. Records show that nearly 100 individuals have been seized over the last 25 years, proving the human exploitation remains a persistent threat. To conclude, the combination of environmental laws and criminal activity demands urgent conservation effort before this species is lost forever.
Protected area have conserved the key habitat of the proboscis monkey, including mangrove and peat swamp forests. The Sarawak Proboscis Monkey Action Plan also supports this effort by monitoring population trend, maintaining habitat connectivity, and preventing habitat fragmentation from roads and development. This action, based on Sarawak Forestry Corporation, aims to ensure the long-term survival of the species.
Conservation should be carried in situ, which means protection of proboscis monkeys within their natural area. Why? Because this method prevents the species from threats that destroy habitats, such as that are deforestation and development. In situ conservation also preserve mangrove and peat swamp forests, which are essential for the species survival. In Sarawak, proboscis monkeys are protected at totally protected area. For example, at Pako National Park, Kuching Westland National Park, and then lastly at Sungai Samusam Wildlife Sanctuary.
So we're moving on to ecological importance. Proboscis monkey have played an important role as seed disperser. They have been helping the generations of mangrove and riverine plant species by feeding on leaf, fruit, seed. They also contribute
to maintaining plant diversity and forest structure along riverbanks and coastal ecosystem.
In conclusion, these objectives support the long-term survival of the proboscis monkey in Sarawak by protecting core populations, restoring habitat connectivity, and maintaining genetic diversity, which collectively ensure the existence of viable and resilient population in their natural habitat. Lastly, the protection of the flagship species serves as an important step in preserving Sarawak's unique biodiversity and ecology heritage.